Okay guys, well, we are back at the house again, guys. We are taped and float most of the walls, as you can see, guys. Just the first coat. It'll take a second coat after we sand all this smooth, but we're getting there. It's looking like walls. We still have a few joints in the ceiling to do, but I'm not worried about that. That's gonna be in a little bit. Marissa's on her way over. She's gonna be working in the bedroom, in the back room, trying to get some more sheetrock up in those rooms. But on a side note, guys, our little pregnant helper here had some little baby kittens. So as you can see, guys, kittens, stop rubbing on me. She had 4 all black litter kittens, guys. So if any of you guys want a kitten, let me know. We're keeping 1, but we'll have 3 up for adoption when they're ready to go, guys. But right now, we are going to jump outside, and my dad has already started. We are going to be mixing concrete and putting it in the front flower beds so we can cap those so that we can fix our water leak in the front of the house, so that we can in turn put sheetrock on those 2 walls. So guys, let's jump outside and see what he's doing. All that 5 bags right now are gonna go into this area. Hope it's enough. I have another shovel in there. Oh, yep, Marissa inside cutting sheetrock like a pro that she is now.
Go away.
Okay. I got to go away. Okay. Well, I'm gonna clean out this side so that we can actually get to that wall and put sheetrock on it, guys. See you guys in a second. So guys, what happened was I was climbing the attic stair here, and I don't know if you can see it or not. Might have to get the light. Let me get the light real quick, guys. Sorry. But guys, now you can kind of see it. the attic stair, as I was climbing it, nicely broke. The whole thing. The whole thing. Look at it. This is my attic stair. Well, it broke and it shot that light into Marissa's back. But yeah, so it's pretty much busted. I can't actually get to the attic anymore, guys. So the stuff that I was putting in there is no longer. So, but it made an awesome cracking sound, and everybody thought the whole entire house was coming down. So yeah, she got annihilated by a LED spot lamp, but we're alive, guys. Okay, guys. Well, since we poured the concrete outside that you saw, you can kind of see it there, out there, we now can finish fixing this corner. So as you can see, this whole corner should have wood coming down to hold this corner together, but it doesn't, because it was all rotted because of the leaking. Well, now that we got that fixed, we can now rebuild this wall, rebuild a little bit of floor, and then we can get sheetrock back in here, because we have sheetrock up to that point. We need to just bring sheetrock all the way down, around, and once I get that built, we can do that. So gonna do this first, and then we have, sorry guys, we got everything pushed up against everywhere and up off the floor. Then we can come over here and do the same exact thing. So this whole corner and base plate got rotted. So what we're gonna do here is sister on. What I'm gonna do is underneath here, I'm gonna put two under here, and put two under here, and then I'm gonna sister a 2x4 on either side of these, just like this one is, to make up the make up the studs. And gonna put a new base plate in here. Once we clean all this stuff up, we'll put a new base plate and get this thing looking good again, guys. So let's jump to it. Well, guys, we have this corner rebuilt. We don't need to do a solid. This should be enough. This sistered onto this one. We'll screw that into that down there, screw that up into that one, that down into the base plate, and this one to this one. And so we have full support here in the corner, and we should be good to go. Clean up the little bit, and then we're ready to put sheetrock on all this. Well, insulation then sheetrock, but we will get that together. So let's screw that together, guys, and jump over to the other corner. Now that that's done, we can officially sheetrock in this corner, so we can get this room getting close to being fully sheetrocked. So I'm gonna clean up all this with the shop vac, but it is all ready to go. Let's jump over to the other corner, guys. Okay, guys, well, this corner is a little bit different than the last one, and what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna get all this stuff out, but we're gonna make a base plate from here to there, and from there to there, so that we have something for all this to sit on. And we're gonna pull this. We're gonna pull all this out to pull it up to somewhere. I don't know exactly where we're gonna pull it up to. That line, hopefully, so we can put a sheet here, completely a sheet there. And then we can just leave all that up there. But for right now, we are going to make two little short base plates and get those made and cut. And we're using treated 2x4 on the base plate, so since it's sitting on the ground, and there's always going to be moisture, that it won't rot. So let's get at it, guys. Okay, guys, well, we have our base plates in. We're about to screw them to the existing base plates and put some nails that go into the concrete to hold the base plate in from moving around and everything. So once we do that, then we can make these four-ish, 5 maybe extensions down. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna sister onto this one and bring it down, sister onto this one, bring it down, and I'm gonna sister onto these two and bring them down. And then maybe put 2 more back here along this so that that corner becomes fully sturdy. But that's the plan, guys. So let me get to measuring and cutting some stuff. And before we do close up this wall, we are going to flex seal all of this. The spray flex seal, I'm going to spray all of the back side of the brick and everything, and make sure that it's fully good to go and just an extra layer of protection. I did Clorox spray everything the other day to make sure that it killed any fungus that was growing back here from before the flood. But yeah, so let's get to it, guys. So guys, we now have the base plates nailed down. We use these concrete nails to nail down the base plate. They're in there, they're tight, they're not going anywhere. So now we can put up our bracing here and slide it into place, hammer it into place, and get it all started. I got those 2 cut. I need to cut these 2, and then we'll screw it all together, guys. Okay, guys, well, that's it for this video. We did a little sheetrock work. We fixed the corners in the bedroom. We poured concrete. What else did we do? We did a bunch in this video, but we are now ready to finish the bedroom, finish this room, and keep going. You know, getting there, getting done. You know, we starting to look like a house, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like the video, go buy stickers off the website, and I'll see you guys next video.